So a very good morning from the beautiful village of Poschiavo. So if you are coming to visit Lago di Saucio or Lago di Viola, then I think you can stay in here. There are many hotels, many parking stations. It's a very beautiful medieval looking village. Just look at these locations. So it is absolutely very beautiful. So today I'm going to one of the lake in the Italian side of the Switzerland, and it is called the Sils lake. Basically it is part of the Engadin mountains. Engadin mountains are one of the most beautiful mountains in Switzerland, and right now I'm on the way to that. So right now I'm in Poschiavo, and from Poschiavo to the Sils lake or the Silsersee, it will take around 1 hour. It is 50 kilometers from here. Just look at this beautiful village. It is absolutely amazing, very beautiful.
Welcome to one of Switzerland's most breathtaking drives. From the charming valley of Poschiavo to the sparkling lakes of the Engadin. Starting from Poschiavo, the road winds through dramatic alpine passes, climbing higher and higher until the air turns crisp and the views open wide. As I approach St. Moritz, the world's famous resort town glistens like a jewel. But I keep going, chasing the lakes beyond. Soon the road curves past Silvaplanersee, its turquoise water reflecting the peaks above, a paradise for windsurfers and dreamers alike. And finally I reach Silsersee, calm and vast, the largest natural lake in Alps, surrounded by large forests and silence that feels almost sacred. This is Sils im Engadin, where every turn feels like a painting and every moment a reminder of nature's quiet power.
So right now I'm basically in Sils right now. Sils is a small village in the Engadin mountain region in Switzerland, and this area has some amazingly beautiful lakes. The whole Engadin mountain region has really very beautiful mountains, and especially in autumn, if you want to really experience the autumn colors, then I think this is one of the best places in the whole Europe. It is really very beautiful. If I can just show you, just see the beautiful autumn colors here. It is absolutely stunning. All over, wherever you see, it's the autumn colors, those beautiful large trees showing their colors. It is absolutely stunning. I think right now I'm at the lake, and this is called Silvaplanersee or Silvaplaner Lake. It is really cold here, so as you can see, so it's ice. It became a little bit of ice, so it's really cold. You can see it. The water froze a bit. Lake is still not frozen, so we can try to get some beautiful pictures. But it's really amazingly beautiful, absolutely stunning. I'm now going to the lake to photograph some autumn colors. Let's see how it goes. So right now I'm in the beautiful village of Sils in Engadin or Segel. It is a very small village but an amazing landscape, very beautiful views. And here we are going to the Silsersee or the Sils lake. We'll do some photography, but I think this particular village is really very beautiful. I mean, there are many hotels and many resorts here. So yeah, if you're coming here, you can stay here, enjoy your time. So lots of eateries, restaurants. So yeah, let's go ahead and go for the lake. From where I parked my car, maybe I'll also put a description of the car parking, because in the village, if you're staying, then it is easy to find a parking because the hotels have the parking. But if you are not staying here, it is a bit difficult. So I'll put a description to the parking space. There's a garage where you can park your car, and from there the lake is just a couple of minutes. It is so beautiful, I cannot describe. It is so amazingly beautiful. It has huge mountains all over. So I'm walking just parallel to the mountains with all those beautiful autumn colors, absolutely stunning. And it's almost October end. It's really cold. I think it's right now it is -4 or something like that. It is absolutely very beautiful. I mean, it is a must visit if you're coming to the Italian side of the Switzerland. And from here the Italian border is quite close, so you can basically go towards Lake Como and other Alps region in Italy. Just see how beautiful it looks. It is absolutely stunning, very beautiful, absolutely amazing colors. So I'm not doing any hike here because first of all it is quite cold, and if I go over the mountains for hiking, it will be quite difficult. It is not so easy, and moreover I think I got cold, but I think this is the last weekend before this part of the Switzerland goes into winter, so they will have many things which will be closed, many hikes will be closed, then many Seilbahns will be closed. So that was the reason that even though I was not well, I came here to make video for you guys, so that you get some information, you get some bucket list, something to put in your bucket list if you're visiting Switzerland. But it's absolutely fantastic. So I'm almost, I can now see the lake. I just took a shortcut, and basically there are lots of open fields, and just I took some shortcut and I am near the lake. It is so beautiful, absolutely stunning. I mean, the color in the lake is beautiful. Just have a look for yourself. It is so beautiful. So windy, absolutely stunning. Absolutely stunning.
As the sun sets over the Engadin, the light dances across the lakes. Silvaplanersee, Silsersee, calm, timeless and pure. This journey from Poschiavo through the heart of the Alps has been a reminder that beauty isn't just in the destination, but in every winding road that leads there. If this moment moved you, subscribe for more journey through Switzerland's hidden wonders. Until next time, keep exploring and let the mountains guide you home.